guys, so we look at one of my favourite Dead South songs today. It's called Boots. It's pretty simple in the left hand, it's kind of complicated in the right hand, but it's got a really fast drumming rhythm, so we'll take a look at that, and let's go for a close-up and we'll check it out. Okay, so the basis of the rhythm is very simple, it's just very fast. So, if we take a C chord, we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and the key with doing it this fast is that you don't try and strum the whole thing. It's a bit messy. So the best thing to do when you're practicing it is to go for this kind of small strum and just keep going down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up, and to get the speed up. Then focus on doing the 1, 2, and 3, and 4 hand. Okay? And just slowly build it up, build it up, build it up until you get that nice super fast speed that they have. So, for the intro, which is the same as the first half of the verse, we have C, so we'll go at half speed, 1, 2, 3, 4. G, he plays G as a 3-finger G. Back to C, back to G. And again. D, E minor, and then B, which he does as a bar chord, back to E minor. You can do a B7 if you don't know your B bar chord, because we will be coming and using that later. So the intro all the way through, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when they do this in the verse, you play exactly that, and then you do one more bar of E minor, and then you're back into the C, which is slightly confusing because the C is the 12th bar. You'd expect them to do another E minor, but they don't. They come into C, which is part of what keeps the song sort of pulsating along. So we do exactly the same thing. We do C, G, C, G, C, G, D, E minor, B, E minor in the second half of the verse. But so once we do the B, we then do a B7 to E minor and do that twice. And then you have 3 more bars of E minor. And sometimes they do a little stop on that last bar to come back into the intro. So I'll play through the verse at half speed all the way through just so you can get an idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we come to the bridge, which is just single strums of C, take off my G, and up to B, I will love, and then we play E minor, you, around, around, take off my boots, and I will love you. They keep flowing that round on the single strums, and then to finish the song, we do the rhythm on those chords. So on. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that lesson. You can check out more Dead South songs here, and there's plenty of other lessons around the channel, so I'll see you very soon.